Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Des here at Grok Trade on Wednesday, December 7th, 2011. Today we got a late day rally. This late day rally comes due to a report that was released by the G20 that they are considering a $600 billion IMF lending program to Europe. And for the most part, we shrugged off the S&P, saying that it was going to downgrade the EU in addition to some larger financials. So it gave us a late day rally, bringing us back into positive territory here for the Dow and the S&P. You have the Dow up 0.38%, the S&P up 0.2%, the Nasdaq at break even, the Russell's basically at break even. The banks bouncing back. They lagged the broad markets all day until the latter part of the session, so it's up 0.2%. Gold up a bit, silver down 1%, and we do have crude oil down 0.5%, US dollar down 0.14%. And we're looking at this huge symmetrical triangle, and today at one point we're breaking down. I was really happy that I had my hedge on for my account and for the institution that I trade for. But we rallied back strong. I was talking with the institution today, late session, thinking perhaps we should take that hedge off. But we have big news coming on Friday, and we should get that news actually Thursday evening late on what we're in the futures to tell us how the markets might be reacting to that news that will be breaking on Friday over there in Europe, and that could certainly send us down, because here's the bottom line. We did make a new low today. We did drop, confirming a pivot heading down, but we never closed there. We bounced back, so that confirmation was wiped away pretty quick. But we did punch a hole to the south side here, so it would be very easy for it to retrace that movement yet again. So any bad news or any news that's not deemed really bullish could easily start to send this market southbound. At one point at the end of today, we had went up, actually busting above the 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average was busted a couple times the last few sessions, but every time it did, it retraced. Same thing happened here. Closing right now, the S&P closing at 1261. 1264, 1265 is the big number. 1265, we can get above that, that would be bullish. But it's not just getting above it, it needs to sustain that level at the close. So that's really what we're after. Tomorrow, I see another turbulent day, but I see us ending up about in the same area where we're at here. I don't see a significant move to the upside or downside. However, if traders and investors and the market sentiment really, if they become very optimistic that the news that they're going to receive from Europe going into Friday's trading session is going to be bullish, you might have those speculators start to put their bet on the table going to the north here. So if that happens, that will increase the chances of those individuals who are short to start covering those shorts, and for the longs to start piling money into this, giving us volume to the upside. So you should be able to start to see more momentum. So it'd be kind of like a green shoot, something that pops up here and then grows from there. So it's something we're watching pretty closely. Tonight you're invited. I'm doing a webinar, actually two. One of them is specifically for the mentorship. You hear us talking about it, but you might not know anything about it. Tonight we're going to talk about it in great detail and how it benefits our students. We've had many students, and just me, myself, not including the other mentors, over 550, knocked on the door about 600 students. between all of us together, over 1,500 students that we've taught. So we do this and do this well. There's no better group of mentors out there. You're finding them right here. We're cutting out the middleman, the big institutions that are out there selling their very expensive tuition or trading education. Is you don't have to do that anymore. There is an alternative, and we are that alternative. So anyway, if you want to do that, click on calendar, click on today's date, and get signed up for it. It's at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And for all you Grok graduates out there, make sure you join us tonight for the study group. And you guys being mentorship students, you know that you get to participate in a monthly webinar where we all get together and talk about what's going on in the markets, what's working in our trading, and answering questions. So take care, safe trading. We'll talk to you guys all tomorrow.